shopping. Let's go.
Hey guys, look at this. We just bought a brand old 2014 Honda Grom, or as they call it here in Thailand, MSX 125. And this is the first time I will ride such a small motorcycle. I have a lot of motorcycles at home. I have Honda NC 750 DCT automatic. I have Honda Forza 300. I believe in US you don't have this model. It's one of the best scooters in the world. I don't understand why they don't sell everywhere. I have the Rebel 1100 DCT, and my girlfriend's own Vespa Primavera 125. And this is the first time that we have a mini manual motorcycle.